I seriously don't know why reasonable people are not actually talking to these EFCC people because they are overdoing. I don't think this rubbish and dirty issues of abusing Naira notes is the major issue we have in this country called Nigeria. Nigeria is too big to be bringing this topic of abusing Naira, and people are trending over it and making it look like it's one special deal. I don't understand. Go and arrest the criminal and stop arresting the people that wave hand to the criminal. Hello, Nigerians. Some of you that is writing comment and coming to the comment section, you should wake up from your zero sleep, arrogant sleep. Wake up from it. You don't need it. I want to ask the question. This video by my side that you people are watching, did you people have sense? If you want to arrest criminal, go arrest the criminal that robbed the bank. Stop beating around the bush. The other time you arrested E-Money that he abused Naira, what happened? They said he stepped on Naira. Did E-Money see the Naira on the ground and he took his leg and he was stepping on the Naira? Hello. Abuse of Naira, is it the issue we have? Are you not ashamed that Nigeria is the only country that have two currency? 1,000 Naira 2, 500 Naira 2, 200 Naira 2. In the whole world, it's only Nigeria. That shows you that Nigeria is a double face. They don't even know where they are going and where they are coming. That's a very simple arithmetic for you to understand that Nigeria is just double. They don't understand what they are doing to themselves. How can you say somebody is abused? You are charging Tompolo for abuse of Naira. Is Tompolo the person that sprayed the money? Did you see any Naira in Tompolo hand throwing Naira up? Did you see Tompolo spraying any Naira? Abuse of somebody that's celebrating 54 years old, dancing, happy. Maybe he might have taken one or two alcohol. Even if in a clear eyes, Tompolo saw money on the ground, you expect a big name, a big security to our oil, Tompolo to come and be bending down to pick the money. Oh, hey, come on, this money for road, make I pass. You a liar. You don't have sense. Common sense should tell you that you go on and arrest the person that is spraying the money, the person that is abusing your Naira, not Tompolo. Tompolo never abused Naira. Tompolo was on his own, dancing, happy for God added age to his elbow. For additional age, he's happy, dancing, celebrating. And you woke up from one nonsense place and said that Tompolo is abusing Naira. Are you okay? Your advisors, are you people okay? People that are instigating you, are all of you okay at all? You should wake up from that your deep maggot sleep that you are flopping yourself to. What kind of insult is it? We have too many problems in Nigeria to solve. There is an allegation against the president's son, Sheikh. They said that somebody said that you want to kill him. You send people to kill him. Focus on that issue. It's a very big issue in Nigeria. Stop taking human life as if it's a chicken that we are talking about. Now, the issue is happening in people in Edo State. There's a crisis going on. Fulani S-men killing human beings, killing cow, killing this one. There's a plenty issue in Nigeria going on that you people supposed to attack. Not this Tompolo step on money, Tompolo don't step on money. I bet shame on you people, stop this nonsense today. I don't know why they don't want to stop this title they are giving people that is swelling your head. EFCC this, EFCC that. You're not doing any work in Nigeria. There's a big work for you to do. You're just flopping around and saying you're EFCC this and that. Bullshit. My name is Royal Highness AGUGBAOLA. I'm still here in NDI, one of United Arab Emirates. In case you don't know, one I'm on Enugu State. MJ the King is still a music name. If you don't have any work to do as EFCC, go back to do farm work. People are doing rubbish work. What is the abuse of Naira? Una head correct? Una get sense? What is abuse of Naira? Hello, abuse of Naira is when you bring currency and start tearing it to pieces. That's abuse of Naira. If you don't know, I don't think any lawyer have bring you people to book to lecture you what is abuse of currency. Somebody drop money on the ground and somebody let step on the money. You say that you've matched federal government money. You are charged for abuse of Naira. No, you are insulting the law. You don't even know the meaning of the law of abuse of currency. If you know, you will not be doing all this nonsense. How can you say somebody is dancing, another person is spraying money? and the person step on the money, you say you are charging the person, you are inviting him for abuse of Naira. You people are abuse of law. In fact, I'm suing EFCC for abuse of statements. You are abusing statements. You don't even know how to fix statement these days. I beg you, stop this rubbish. Let's focus on the major issue we have in this country. Plenty issue that is damaging a lot of things. So many people are dying for nothing. So many issues everywhere. You are there. Tomorrow now, EFCC will go to market. They charge women for coming to market to sell pumpkin leaf late. That's the next work you are saying. You are lying, door of step to work. EFCC, abuse of